Welcome to the Illmatix first annual bike and car wash. See, got the vice prezi, got the DJ and the prezi. DJ nothing nice. Got the cars and the bikes and wash. Got my nigga Rosa. It sucked anyways. Don't be sad.
Same thing.
You just have the keyboard. It's Android. It's just Samsung's version of it.
What you waiting for?
7. Nah, it's gonna be a. I don't even know what it's gonna be called. It's just a 7 series because they're doing Windows Mobile 7 now. And then by the end of the year, there's supposed to be another Windows 7 that's on the chip. Get my shit washed, son. Yeah, that's my Ferrari over there getting washed, in case y'all didn't know. I'm saying, got all the bike clubs out here. Everybody showing love. Illmatix. You know what I'm saying? Fuck with it. Las Vegas.